This is
Jamaica, watch
absolutely
this.
heartbreaking. Raila Odinga, the man millions called Baba, is gone. He passed away in Kerala, India, after a cardiac arrest while receiving treatment. Doctors tried everything, but the Lion of Kenya took his final breath far from home. Across the country, silence has replaced speeches. Candles burn in Nairobi, tears fall in Kisumu, and songs of mourning fill the air. Kenya hasn't just lost a leader, it's lost a heartbeat. Raila was more than politics. He was hope. He fought for fairness, for unity, for the people who had no voice. He never ruled from the palace, but he ruled the hearts of millions. Even when power slipped away, his courage never did. He showed that leadership means standing when everyone else bows down. And now, as Kenya grieves, his spirit remains in every flag, every prayer, every voice that refuses to be silenced. Raila Odinga's story ends here, but his legacy has just begun. If you're watching this, take a moment, light a candle, say a prayer, or share this message. Because legends like Baba don't die, they live on through people like you.